Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm John Bex FX. It's always a pleasure to have you on my channel. It's a pleasure, right? Um, Please, I'll be showing you a very powerful strategy for boom and crash. Yeah, this video is going to be we're talking about spikes. Okay, the video I'm showing you direct on how you can trade boom and crash, and get the spikes and make good profits for yourself. That's what this video is all about. That's what this video is designed for. So now, before I go further on that, I want to appeal to you as always do. Okay, please watch down your screen, subscribe to my channel, hit the like my video, subscribe to my channel, and turn up your notification in for more videos as I'm going to be dropping more video, right? Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And for you that have subscribed to my channel, don't worry, there's a big reward for that, okay? There's a big reward for that. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to say thank you for subscribing too. All right. So without wasting much of your time, let me also inform you about the VIP group and the free channel. We have the free channel, we have the VIP group. The free channel, once in a while, there is always signal drop there to good signals. So you can queue up. You can also join the free signal if you're interested, because the free Telegram link, sorry, you can also join the free Telegram link, is there. If you're also interested, you can join the VIP group too and win just as every one of them in there is winning too. It's a very nice place to be, okay? It's a very nice place to be. So the free channel is there. So you can check all of that from the description of this video. You can find my Telegram link. You can find my WhatsApp link. So if you're interested, you can join the free channel for free signal that is being dropped there. All right. If you're interested, you can also call in for VIP. So you can also win like them. All right. And again, for the mentorship class. All right. So if you're interested, you can also join the mentorship class. It's going to help you. Trust me. It's going to guide you very well. Okay. Like I do receive some messages from some person who said I applied this strategy, it didn't work. Sometimes I wonder if they actually follow up the instruction. Some of us don't actually know the price actions. Some of us don't actually know price action. So some things like this, trading is not something you want to once you open the chart and you see the trend of the market that you want to join, you want to enter a market. You don't know if the market is at the resistance level or the support level. You just want to enter because you are seeing is on a downtrend, is on a uptrend. I want to enter for that reasons. It's not good. It's not, all those reasons are not good enough. Sometimes you need to check if the trend is at the resistance level or the support level. All of this is very, very important. You watch out for all of this before you enter any trade. Okay, it's necessary, bro. It's necessary, guys. It's necessary. So if you're interested, all of that, the mentorship class is going to guide you very well. Of course, you need to know more about this. You need to know more about what you're doing. If you're not sure what you're doing, you need to know more about what you're doing, all right? So the mentorship class is open for people like that to come in, all right? Without wasting much of your time, now let's go straight to the business. Okay, I want to show you, like I've told you already, I want to show you a very powerful strategy you can apply for boom and crash. All right, it's for spikes. Okay, this is for spikes. So it's a very powerful one. In as much you keep to the rules, keep to the condition, trust me, you are going to be catching the spike. This strategy, I call it the zone. I call this strategy the zone, the comfortable zone spike catcher. Okay, it's just a comfortable zone spike catcher. Once you wait for the trend to hit the zone, the comfortable zone. Man, trust me, once you enter the market from there, you are going to be catching the spike that you're here for, okay? I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you direction of on how to follow, but please, I want to say to you, please, always keep to instruction, please, always keep to instruction. It's necessary you follow up the conditions, all right? I keep telling you, as much as you expect from this business, the business is also expecting from you. I lost you, of course. I lost. Okay, so nobody's actually perfect in this. Okay, so the market, sometimes your market might just come your level of your area of interest, and you enter the market with all hope that you'll be winning. But sometimes it doesn't actually go that way. But it is very, very important. That's why it is very, very important you also learn how to apply your risk management. Okay, in every trade you want to enter, risk management is always the key. Okay, so you don't use some larger loss size and blow off your account. Okay, sometimes you need to know the kind of loss size you want to apply uh, before you trade, before you enter the market. You need to know your loss size. Okay, all of that the mentorship class is going to teach you, because you don't just enter trade like that. All right, if you don't know, please try and pick more interest on how to know. It's going to help you, right? Please, the VIP group is there. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, and the free channel is there. All of that, you can find it on the description of this video. You can hit me up through my WhatsApp link, through my Telegram link. All right, thank you. So now, I'm trading boom 500. Okay, let's start with crash. Okay, let's start with crash, right? Let's start with crash 500. All right, so we are starting with 1 minute time frame. I'm also going to show you. We're also going to talk about 5 minutes time frame. Okay, but right now we'll be starting with 1 minute time frame. After this, I will also show you on how to take your profit, on how to place your loss. I'm going to guide you on all of that. We have to place your SL and your TP. All right. So we are going to talk about 5 minutes time frame on these two, but let's start with 1 minute time frame. All right. So now this is crash 500. Right. Trading crash 500, right? So now, let me delete the indicator so you can see me and learn how you can place it your own. Okay? So you can see how you can place it. Please always keep to the rules. It's very, very important. Okay? On this strategy, I don't think the zoom level is necessary. It's not. Okay? So you can use any zoom level that is comfortable, that you're comfortable with. All right. So now, let me show you. Always, whenever you want to place your indicators, you can watch your screen. You can check the top of your screen. You see the F icon. You tap on it. So the first indicator we are going to be adding here is the moving average. Okay. So this is the moving average. All right. So now these are the parameters. So the period will be, I'm going to be using, period will be 60. Okay, the period is 60 and the shift is 0. And the method is exponential. Apply is close. We're going to be using close here. Apply to close. Styles, I'm using PC4, right? The color, I'll be using color black here. I'm going to be using color black here. So always try and keep to the condition of this strategy. Once you keep to this condition, it works. It works. So now I'm done with this. All right, you can see this. This is the price action. Okay, let's say this line, the black line you're seeing, this moving average, is the line that is following up the trend. Okay, it's very, very important. It's very, very important. Is the line that is following up the trend. Okay, so the next indicator I'm going to be adding here is the relative strength index, the RSI. Okay, So you go on your main chart again, all right? Okay, so this is it. So these are the parameters. I'm using period 1, apply to close. I'm using styles, I'm using PS1, all right? And the color here, I'm going to be using white color because of my background. So if your background is black, you use black color, all right? So now the level is level 90 and level 10, all right? Level 90 and level 10. Okay, this is it. This is it. So now I have my window 1 here now. Okay. So on this window 1, I'll be adding more indicators. So the indicator I'm going to be adding now is a moving average. Okay. I'll add the moving average, but this time the parameters, the period, I'm going to be using period 4. Okay. I'm going to be using period 4. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to weighted close. Okay, we'll be using weighted close here. All right, so styles is I'm using PC4, but the color I'll be using here now is color green. I'll be using color green. Okay, I'm done with this. So you can see that. So I'm adding more one indicator again. So the indicator I'll be adding now is still a moving average. Okay, but this time the period will be 5. Period 5, shift is 0, method is potential, applied to weighted close. Styles, I'm using PC form, but the color I'm using now is red. I'll be using red color, right? So now, my setting is complete. My setting is complete. Please do subscribe to my video, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, please. So my setting is complete. So now what is now left is knowing when to buy and when to sell. Like I've told you already, we are talking about spikes on this video. We are discussing on how to catch spikes. Okay. So I'm going to show you how you can catch your spike. So your first condition here now. The first condition is staying like this. You've seen it. So you have to wait for this line here, the line on your window 1 to approach this level 90. Once it gets to this level 90, okay, you enter the market, all right? Once you get to this level 90, you enter the market. He doesn't fail. But because the market, okay, because the market, anything can happen. So if it doesn't spikes, if the spike doesn't come, so once you wait, maybe after $3, you can pull out. After you must have count more, maybe 6 or 7 candlesticks, 6 or 7 candlestick, and no spikes. Or you can pull out. You can just pull out. Okay. So I don't lose more. You be on the safe side. But I want to assure you that once you get to this, once you are patient enough and allow this line to get to this level 90, spike will definitely come. Okay, so I will show you more example on that. So you can see here, you get to this level 90 and the spike happen. So if you want, I can still back test and show you, okay? So that is it. So if you want it to see more, so you can see once you get to this level, spikes just happen, okay? The spike just happen. So it is the same thing. If you also want to trade boom too. So let me turn to boom now, okay? If you're trading boom 500, right? So what you do here now, still the same thing, but this time we are going to see this, get to this level 10. Get to this level 10, all right? This over sold area, all right? Get to this level 10. We get to this level 10, so spike will definitely happen. I'm giving you a very powerful strategy, okay? It's a strategy I have tested. It is a trusted one. I've tested it and it worked perfectly. So before I came up to share it alongside with you guys, all right? So all you need to do is to wait for the just keep to the condition. It works, okay? It works. And now let's now discuss about the SL, okay? So like I've told you, your Excel is when you wait for this to happen, when you see this, when it drops to this level 10, all right, this oversold area, level 10, right, when it drops to this area and the spikes doesn't happen, and maybe you have lost, or you have uh, $3 loss or $2 loss, you can pull out. Or maybe you have the candlestick count like 5 to 6, you can pull out. Or at 7, you can pull out. So I don't count more loss. But I can tell you, once you are patient enough and wait for this to happen, spike will definitely happen. So okay, that will be your SL, your stop loss. Okay, once you wait, once this candle drops to this level, once this line drops to this level, and you enter the market, there is no spike, and you have this candlestick kind of like 5 to 6, you can pull out, you can just close out. Okay, but once it happen, once you come here and the spikes happen, you just close out and make profit. Okay, once the spike happen, you close out and make profit. So you can see this, what I'm saying, it's happening. It's a very powerful one. Okay, it's a very powerful strategy. Okay, it doesn't fail. Once you wait for this to happen, the spike will definitely come. It will definitely come. I'm pretty much sure about what I'm showing you. Okay, it's just a very powerful one. Keep to the rules, keep to the condition, and price action also matters too. Okay, always try and see your price and see what the trend is like. Check from your higher time frame to the lower time frame and verify very well. Have too many reasons, have multiple reasons why you want to enter a trade. Okay, you don't just enter a trade for one simple reason or for a second reason. Just I tell my students to have multiple reasons why they can enter trade. That's why it is good to know much about trading. Okay, the mentorship class will guide you very well. So now let's talk about the 5 minutes. Then I'll talk about the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's still start with boom here. So this is the 5 minutes time frame now I'm talking about. So now on this, what we are going to be expecting here now, before it happen, also want to see this things like this happen. See this line drop to this level 10, all right, and then you wait again. This is the first condition. This is the first condition. Let me highlight so I can see it very well. All right, this is your first condition. Please keep to rules. Keep to rules. This is your first condition. Or maybe this one didn't drop to the level 90. Let me just get this up. Let me show you a better one, Okay, things like this. So this is your first condition. Oh, sorry. This is the first condition. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry. Pretty sorry. So, talking about 5 minutes time frame. See, okay. This should be your first condition. So you wait for this to happen. Wait for this line to drop to this level. To get to this level 10. All right. And then your next condition you're going to be looking at for. Wait for the candlestick to cross the black line you're seeing. Wait for this candlestick to cross the black line, and then you can enter your trade. Okay, you can enter your trade. You can see this. The market sold all the way from here, up. You can see that. Okay, you can see the markets buy all the way from here. All right. So you just wait for the black line the candlestick to cross the black line, and also wait for this line to drop down here to this level 10. All right. So I'm going to be showing you more situation like that. So let me show you more. It's a very powerful strategy. So you can see it. You can see it here. Tap here. No. Show you. Okay, this is what I'm saying. Okay, drop here. See that? So you can see. I've not really seen a strong. Okay, here. Okay, see here too. See here. The candlestick crossed the black line, and the next thing we see was this spikes. The market still buying. Okay, but here now on this 5 minutes time frame. Okay, in case I don't know I don't know how much you have in your account. I don't know. So that's why you also need to apply your management risk. It's very important you apply a management risk. I mean, the kind of lot size you'll be using to trade this is not the kind you want to use in the 1 minute time frame I just showed you. Okay, you're going to be using a more you have to learn how to you have to manage not to manage the risk here. If you are applying this 5 minutes time frame, okay, you have to learn how to manage your risk management is necessary here. So you see, this is what I'm saying. Okay, once it drops here and you see the market went through all the way from here. Okay, went through all the way from here. So that's it. So if I want to keep sending it back, you're going to be seeing just the same thing I've been showing you. So if I want to back test, so that is it. Okay, this is it. So guys, I really hope you keep to these conditions and follow the conditions. Sure, I'm pretty sure you're going to be making much from this strategy. It's a very powerful one. So at this point, I believe in you, and I wish you a success. I wish you success in your trading. All right, please keep to the rules. It's very, very important. Subscribe to my channel, like my video. Okay, I just offer the best. We offer the best here. So see what I'm saying? All of this, they are real. Okay, they are real. Once you keep to the conditions, trust me, you're going to be making good profit from here. See them? They are real. They are real. See them here. That's what I'm saying. Drop here to this level and the market market sold down all the way down here. So that's it. All right. Do have a great time. Wish you success in your trade. Hope to see you some other time. Goodbye for now.